Everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Paul Nguma, founder of PATTERNOLOGY LAB. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with all of you a stock that is ready to explode next week and why you should keep it on your watch list. And I'm also going to be answering some of you guys' questions for those of y'all who dropped your stocks of interest in the comment section of last night's video, right after the intro. Alright, y'all, before we begin, again, do not forget to annihilate the like button for the YouTube algorithm on your way in, alright? So let's get started. Right off the bat, we have the SPY right now. I believe last night I drew this thing right over here for all of you guys, and I told y'all that we were in a very critical area, right back down underneath this previous neckline, and that we had to be very, very patient because short sellers were expecting a move downwards or more consolidation. But then again, right out the gates, it did the exact same thing as it did right over here. All right. As soon as it broke the neckline over here, just like it did over here, the short sellers left again. All right. They had zero confidence that the market was going to tank anymore. And all of them contributed to this massive squeeze right here. All right. And it even broke above this previous high and got to the original price target that I had yesterday. All right. Unfortunately, the timing is really weird and it's aggravating, but that's the market. It's just the way it goes sometimes. All right. But as of right now, again, where is it gonna go? We will have to find out. Will we see another episode of this thing happening again on Monday and Tuesday? Again, we'll have to find out on this one, and I'm gonna have to follow up when the futures market opens. But for this video, the stock that all of you should be keeping in your watch list for next week is TSM. All right. And TSM, for those of you who have no clue what this company is, it is a semiconductor company, a competitor to your Nvidia and your AMD. All right. And they do supply the chips for Apple as well. Now, the reason why I want to talk about this one and I want to share this one with y'all is because of this. If you look closely on the 4-hour, there is a very bullish flag right over here that actually broke out this time. All right. This thing broke out today and it looks extremely bullish. It broke out with some volume. I like it the way it is. This is a reputable company. The market cap of this entire company is approximately 500 billion, which is more than Intel and AMD combined. All right. So keep this one on your watch list. It does behave like a growth stock. If you go over here, it had a tremendous run throughout the entire year. And every time it dips, dip buyers step up to the plate and buy it up. Every time it dips, it buys it up, and then they step up again. And right now, it looks like they want to step up again. And they already survived earnings, which is a good thing. Earnings is behind us. It's gone. Right now, we can move on to what happens next. So keep this one on your watch list for a potential move all the way up to anywhere over here between 125 and 130 would be spectacular. Right over here, right? I'm not bearish on this one at all. Now let's talk about you guys' stocks of interest. Again, y'all always ask some wonderful questions as always, and we're gonna tackle them immediately. Notice how I said this one broke out this time. We're gonna talk about Oxy. All right, Oxy. I shared this one with you a little bit too soon. I think I shared this with you with y'all somewhere over here at 25.63, and it didn't get out of here. It just stayed in here for quite some time and just kept chilling in here, and it actually broke out today. I like Oxy. I actually got some calls on Oxy. I'm not bearish on oil at all. It's just been taking its very sweet time all the way through. And right now it looks like it's ready to run. And I think it's gonna get in here very soon. I'm not bearish on this one. Again, for all of you who have been asking about an update regarding the stock, there it is. All right. That's my very honest opinion about that. The next one that we'll be talking about in this video, we're gonna talk about OCGN. Yeah, OCGN. And this one, I was watching this one for quite some time. And this thing broke out here. But unfortunately today it had very bad news. they had a price offering, and the price offering is a very dilutive play when a company offers more shares into the market, and it causes something like this to happen. All right, and this is not good. This is really not good. It pretty much kills any type of flow, any type of momentum that this stock may have. I thought this one would actually go all the way up to like maybe at least 16 or $18, right? And then as soon as they put that news out, the stock actually got halted today, and it's been trading lower ever since. I don't have high hopes for this one. I really don't. And I have that thing drawn out here for a very specific reason. There's a gravestone doji on the chart. I don't think it's gonna make it too far. Like, it's up right now, but for how long though? Be very careful if you're holding the stock. That price offering is really never good news. Like, unless it's like a Tesla that's been running up for so many months, right? Tesla did the same thing, but the amount of money that the stocks was worth relative to the overall value of the company was kind of small. That's why it dropped a little bit, but long term it just kept going up and up and up. But this company right here has been like, look at this chart right now. Just take a good look at this. There isn't much to it. Yes, it's pumping like after hours, but I don't have a lot of confidence in this thing. I think it's just gonna roll over slowly and fade all the way back down to like $4. That's my very honest opinion for that stock. The next one that we'll be addressing in this video, we're going to talk about Riot. And Riot had a pretty solid day today. It gapped down and then immediately ran up again as the market went up. It kind of followed the market, surprisingly. It usually follows BTC. BTC also dropped as well. It dropped right after I posted that video. It was at 51,000, and then it tanked all the way down to 47,000. Let me pull that up real quick. All right, so yeah, it dropped all the way down to 48,000. The buyer stepped in heavy. Could we see a bounce on this one? Just a little bounce towards 53,000, and then potentially maybe rolling over again and kind of forming this new downturn right over here, and another one right over here before we bounce again, right? This could happen. So there could be another bounce on Monday and on Tuesday regarding BTC and regarding the overall crypto market, which could push Riot all the way up over here towards like the $45 region, and then we consolidate some more before more money floods into crypto, and then we start heading higher and higher. All right, but this pullback that we're experiencing is not going to last for too long, especially in the crypto market. For those of y'all who are indulging in that market, it's not going to last for too long. Again, if it's more violent, like really violent, then that's a good thing. That means dip buyers are going to step in heavy, and then we're going to go sideways some more, and then we're going to climb back up. Long term, not bearish on it. Short term, again, since we're traders, it's really important to like take these things into consideration. But as of right now, I do expect a bounce on Monday and on Tuesday for Riots. The next one that somebody asked about Disney. All right, and Disney right now is actually trading this falling wedge. Eventually, it's gonna pop out of there. At some point, it's gonna get out. I'm watching it very closely. I'm not bearish on Disney, and I'm not bearish on anything like resorts, like the hotels, and I'm just not bearish on Disney. Again, I'm very patient. If you're investing in this stock, if you're buying dips, just be very patient on this one. It could drag its feet some more, or it could surprise us on Monday and go straight up towards 200. All right, so just keep this one on your watch list as well. I'm not bearish on this one. I'm watching it very closely. Eventually, it's gonna make a move. That's my very honest opinion of this stock, and that is the end of the video. Again, do not forget to destroy the like button for the YouTube algorithm. As always, it helps the channel a lot, and it allows more people to get this knowledge as well. Also, if you are new to the channel, definitely click on subscribe and click on the notification bell along with all notifications. That way you don't miss out on these post-market analysis videos, which are released every single day in the afternoon. and the pre-market analysis videos, which are supposed to be released every single from Monday to Friday at exactly 8:15 a.m. Central Time, 15 minutes before the market opens. The reason why I missed this morning's pre-market analysis video is because I woke up at 8:10. I woke up literally 20 minutes before the market opens, and I was like, yeah, I don't have time to make a video. So there you go. It happens sometimes. Usually it happens on like Fridays because of like, I wake up early from Monday to Thursday at like 4:40, and then Friday I just may feel a little tired, and that's why I didn't put up a video. It's all right. Now, if you're not following social media, you can find me at Paul Nguma and at Patternology Lab on Instagram and on Twitter. Yeah, over here. And lastly, if all of this is brand new to you, or if you're interested in getting started in the stock market, I'll have some step-by-step directions in the description of the video below. Step 1 to step 3. It only takes about 15 minutes or less for you to get signed up with all the tools you need to start trading immediately. You can also get 2 free stocks valued up to $1,850 right after you sign up with Webull. Use my very first link in the description below. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Paul Nguma with Patternology Lab, where we trade patterns and patterns only. And I will see all of you in the next video, right? Enjoy the outro.